Alright guys, so welcome back to this tutorials on how to go about Google Docs. Google Docs is an application that you can actually use to create your documents just as Word and other softwares. So this is a very important skill that if you have it, it will help you in the future. It helps you to keep your documents very safe as compared to Word and other softwares. So without much I say, let's get started. So first of all, if you launch the Google Docs app, this is the interface. You can equally decide not to download the app on your device or to your device, but you can just use the website googledocs.com and then you can start creating your documents. So if you are using the application or if you are using the website, you would see something like a plus sign right here. Alright, so to create a new document, you have to click on that plus symbol. So let's click on it. Now you can see options like choose templates, new Word file. So if you are creating a Word, that means that you can actually use this to create Word, or if you are creating new document file. So for us in this case, we are going to create a new one. So let's choose a template first. Alright, so these are different templates that you can use depending on what you are coming to create. Do something like a letter. So let's choose a new document file, and here we are. So this is how it looks like. So you can start typing from here. By then I already copied the text, so I'll just paste it right here. I'll just paste it right here for you too. So let me paste it. So I've pasted the work. See, now when you are done, you click on the check mark symbol, click on it like this. Then first of all, you can see something like title and title document. So you have to change it. Click on it and then you rename it to, okay, the document is about UPSA, so let's say UPSA history. Then you press OK. Now you can see it's now UPSA history. Alright, so when you are done, click on this three dots right here. Click on it. Now you can see options right here. If you want to enable print layout, if you enable this print layout, that means that anyone who has the document can be able to print it. But if it is left unchecked, that means that someone can actually have the document but cannot print it. See, so if I check it like this, now it has been activated, so it means that it can actually be printed. Now the second one is suggest changes. That means that if you share the document to someone, the person can actually suggest some changes to the document. Especially, for example, if you are if like the person has spotted some errors on the document, the person can suggest some changes and you would actually see the suggestion and then you would know what to do. By then, if you leave it unchecked, they cannot. So if you check it, it means that you want people to suggest changes to the document, so it has been checked. Now let's move on. Now you can see ordinarily yours, this available offline, it will be off, but you check it, make it activate that option. It actually means that even someone without data, if you share the link to the person can be able to access this document without having data. All right. And then if you want to see the word count of your document, you click right here. Now let's learn something new here. Let's click on the share and export. We are going to learn how to share your document. So share and export. Now click on manage people and links. This is about who can have access to the document. So you can limit access to some people. So if I click on it, you can see who has access to this particular document because it is actually yours. All right. So you can see this is the owner right here. And so if you want to, now you can see the changes. The option is only people added can open with the link. So now click on change. Then you can see restricted, so click on it. Now you can see, so you can limit it to the University of Professional Studies, UPSA, or you can make it available to anyone with the link. So choose anyone with the link, so activate that one so that anyone who has the link can actually access. So now it has been updated, can actually access this particular document. All right, so you go back. Now go back, click on this, the three dots again, come to share and export. Now what we want to do is to share, right? You are done, you go back. I think for these features they are familiar. If you are typing the word, this is bold, this is italics, this is underline, and all that, paragraphs and all that. So these features are just like word. So basically that's how it is. And this is undo, redo, and all that. I think this is the font styles you can use. You can see fonts, the size, the text color, and all that. All right, so now, so if someone should suggest changes, it will come to the comment here and you can see it from here. Now let's click on this plus sign. If you click on this plus sign, you can see the number of pages, the footnotes. If you want to add footnotes, the page break, horizontal line, tables, images, you can actually insert images. And this is the link to the document. Let's see it. Okay, so right, so that's it. It is interesting. It's interesting. Okay, share and export. So from here you can copy the link and send it to someone who wants to have access to the document. And one amazing thing you should know about this particular Google Docs is that whenever you can make changes to it any point in time. So if you send it to someone and you make changes to the document, it will actually appear. And all the best. Thank you.